one of the easiest ways to set up AI for car dealerships to sell more cars is a platform called GoHighLevel. With GoHighLevel, you can build AI voice agents and AI conversational agents for your car dealership, even if you're not technically savvy. Okay, so this is a really, really great platform, and I will show you an overview of how you can do this. So, first of all, if you never tried GoHighLevel, you can try it completely for free for 30 days. So you have a link in our description and you can check that out. Once you log in, you will need to create your sub account. A sub account is essentially a business entity. So it represents a business entity. It can be your AI or your car dealership, sorry, or if you're doing this for other car dealership, if you're setting up AI voice agent for other car dealerships, then you should be able to go here and fill that specific business information. So this is called a sub account. So when you go into your sub account here, what you can do is you can go to AI agents. Now this is where you can go to voice AI, as you can see. So here we can create an AI agent. We can browse the marketplace. So this is really important because you don't have to reinvent the wheel. You can simply go and browse marketplace, hit continue, and here you can search for AI agents that already exist. So we can search for car. And as you can see, we have car dealership services. We have obviously some of the others right here, but this is free. So we can click on this one. And as you can see, this is a car dealership services voice AI agent template. So here we can go and we can hit install, allow and install. And this will install this AI voice agent into our sub account. Okay. So we can hit refresh here because this will take some time. We hit refresh, we go to agent list here, and here, as you can see, we have car dealership services. Agent is getting created. So this is where we would be able to go and we would be able to edit that specific agent. Okay, so I will also show you the conversation AI. That's why I put it in the new tab. But here, let me refresh this once more, and you will be able to see that we've got that agent. It's currently getting set up. So let me show you the conversation AI really quickly here. We also have agent list, and we can also create agents from a prompt-based bot or a guided from setup. So the difference between conversation AI and voice AI is in voice AI, you're building voice agents. In conversation AI, you're building chat agents that are on your website in the right down corner. So that's something you can do. So for example, if we go here, we also have prompt-based bots, so we can create a new bot here. And as you can see, we also have marketplace templates too for this one, so we can hit continue. And as you can see, we can go and type in car. Okay, so we don't have any for car dealership. So what you can do is you can search through these, and you can kind of start with, for example, something that is similar. For example, Supportly is a great one because this is like a 24/7 support agent, and you can hit install. As you can see, I already installed it. That's why it says uninstall. So I can click on Supportly here. And as you can see, I can go through the settings of Supportly. Now let's go first through voice AI, and then I will show you the conversation AI. So in the voice AI, again, we have an agent list here. Let's hit refresh for another time. And here we should go to the agent list. Again, this is still getting created, so let's go to the Supportly. So it's pretty similar for AI voice agent too, but you will need to go through bot settings. So for example, for bot name, put your bot name from your car dealership. Autopilot is really great because bot will reply automatically based on trained data. And then you can also select communication channels, right? Instagram, Facebook, SMS, chat widget, whatever you want. I have WhatsApp here, but you can put, for example, chat widget, right? So you can put that or live chat. Live chat is usually for the support on the website. I will show you also how you can integrate this on your website, by the way. We have advanced settings. So this is where your business name goes. Autopilot mode, I put it at 2 seconds. I put 25 maximum messages because if this is for a support, this is really important to have. Current plan. So the usage cost for this, if you check out our 30-day free trial, it's going to be free, but it will cost you 0.02, I think, um, per message. Yeah. So, and then once you obviously hit save on this, you go to bot training, and this is where you have your knowledge base. So you can select a knowledge base here. So a knowledge base can be found here, and a knowledge base is essentially a brain for your AI car dealership agent. So you go here and you want to create a new knowledge base. We already have a bunch of knowledge bases here, but you can go to existing knowledge base, and you want to, the best one right here, the best thing you can do is go to web crawler, add source web crawler, and you can enter the exact URL of a car dealership website. It will scrape your website, and that will be, or that will act as a brain for your specific AI voice agent. Now you want to make sure you rename this to, for example, car dealership, and hit save. Once you hit save, you would be able to go here and select that specific. So if we go here, we can select that specific knowledge base here. It says existing knowledge base, but it's a car dealership one. So we select that one, and we go to the bot goals. We hit save. We go to bot goals, and this is where you can kind of adjust the prompt. So make sure to go through this prompt. What I usually do is I go to ChatGPT and I copy the personality of the bot. So I just Control A, Control C. I copy the personality, I copy the goal, I copy the additional information. I describe the business to ChatGPT, and I tell ChatGPT, based on my business, based on the car dealership, to give me personality, goal, and additional information. Okay? From there, we also have human handover. So that's something you can do. Or you have stop bot. So you can stop the bot when a specific condition is met. And you have human handover, which basically hands over the conversation to a human. Whenever someone says, I want to talk to a manager, I want to talk to a human, I need to talk to someone, that is what's happening. That is what is happening. And then here you can assign to a user, to a specific user that you can add in the backend of GoHighLevel. Again, to not really go into too many details, we've done many tutorials on this. I'm just giving you an overview of how you can use GoHighLevel for your car dealership. Now, next up, let's go here to car dealership AI agent, which is a voice AI agent, which is finally done here. So we click on that, and it's very similar setup, right? So here we can see agent details. We have car dealership services. We have business name. We have language. We have voice. Voices are really great because we can now import voices from not GoHighLevel, but from 11 Labs, which is really cool. And we have the time zone model. Here you can see how much is going to cost you per minute. We have inbound or outbound call. We can select which one we want. Again, we've done tutorials on this on the channel. Here you have advanced settings too. So you can go to voice settings too. We have agent goals. So we can, again, similar to the prompts that I showed you previously, you can copy all of this, and you can select your knowledge base, which will be the same for voice AI or conversation AI. And then you can just click car dealership, use this knowledge base if user asks any questions about the business, as you can see. And then we obviously copy the prompt. We can evaluate the prompt anytime, and GoHighLevel will evaluate it for us, which is really cool. Okay, so that's something you can do. Phone and availability. Now here you can buy a phone number. This is obviously really important in order to be able to have this set up correctly. By the way, set working hours for the agent. You don't have to do that. You click buy new number, and this is where you go to phone system settings. And this is where you need to go, and you need to obviously you need to switch the sub account to LC phone. From there, you can purchase a phone number. I will not go into too many details here on this particular video because we've done a video on how you can set up your phone and telephony in GoHighLevel. So make sure to check that video out. But that's essentially it, right? That's how you can use GoHighLevel to be able to integrate AI for car dealerships Now, if you want, I can create an extended video on this one where I go into each feature that you can use, specifically AI feature that you can use for car dealerships. I mean, there's a lot of features here like voice AI, conversation AI, knowledge base, content AI. You can do a lot of different things to help car dealerships sell more cars in 2026. Now, this has been it. If you want to check out Go High Level, we have a link down in the description. You can check out our 30 days free trial for free. And yeah, if you have any questions, let us know in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.